My like whole reaction to this is just like, I cannot believe this is happening. It's so frustrating. I've covered drones since before they were allowed in US airspace, like since the very, very early days. Like that was my first beat as a tech reporter. No one is ever normal about these things. And there's definitely things that we should worry about with drones. It's like cops doing persistent surveillance, like Department of Homeland Security flying predator drones over the border, which they do, people using them to spy on others, people flying them unsafely. This sort of thing happens, but they've been in our airspace for a very long time. And in December of 2019 in Colorado, there was a series of mystery drone sightings that was very similar to what we're seeing in New Jersey now. It was like a few local reports, and then there were more local reports, and then the news covered it, and then it became national news, and then there were many, 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 many reports. And then what happened was the military got involved, the Federal Aviation Administration got involved, the Department of Homeland Security got involved. There was like a cross state task force where all of these local police and sheriffs got involved and started doing an investigation. And what they found was nothing. They found nothing, which is to say that the drones that they found, the quote unquote drones, they were able to track many of them to being commercial planes or other passenger planes. Others of the drones were legal hobby drones being flown by random people. Other of the drones were being flown by farmers. And then in some cases, the quote unquote drone sightings were stars, or they were SpaceX satellites, or they were other things in the sky. I live in Los Angeles, talked about this a lot. On Friday, I went outside, random time, looked to the sky, and I saw so many blinking lights in the sky, things moving around, looked exactly like every video that I've seen on Twitter and TikTok, just these blinking lights. And it's like, oh, what is that? And you can take a video of it, and on your shitty cell phone, it's going to look like a drone. And it's like, this is what a lot of people are seeing. And that has been like, here in New Jersey, the Department of Homeland Security, the Pentagon, the FAA did a joint press release saying we've gotten 5,000 reports. Almost all of them are confirmed passenger planes of some sort. Please stop shooting at them. Please stop shining lasers at them. I'm flying into New Jersey tomorrow when you're listening to this. Please don't shoot at my plane. It's like, it's crazy. It's absolutely crazy. And I know that I sound like distraught. And I find all this to be quite fun and funny and fun to write about and follow, but it's also bad. It's not good.
Oh yeah.